So, I'm back again. All the carburetor parts are laying down in the ultrasound cleaner, and for the first time I'm going to do it with thinner. This is not brand new thinner. This thinner is used several times. It smells like hell. No, it is not cleaning at the moment. It is only dissolving. This thinner cost a lot of money, so I use it several times. Don't worry about that. Okay. Wow. It's giving bubbles. That looks fine. So we give it one go. And now when you are watching, I will use new membranes. It's the air cut-off valve. And this one is preventing those explosions in the exhaust when you take your throttle down and braking on the engine. This will open by this little channel, and it gives a little bit more fuel to the engine, and that is preventing those blast outs in the exhaust pipe. So we can use that. 2 screws. It's from the flutter ball, also new. Special kits. They come in different sizes, but always you have to check which needle you need. There are 2 types. And we have a complete screw kit. All those new screws, I sell them on my site, no problem at all. 2 of those. This one I have to clean out too. This part also. And also those little things, you have to clean them out. And give it some time. I'm not using a heater because the thinner is to evaporate too much. Oh. I will also clean this out with Dusty. Later on this evening I will use water and clean it out with Dusty. Look at my fingers, how white they are going to be. It looks very well. It's great. Yes, yes. Wow, that's going to work. I hope this one, normally I will sandblast them and bring them to a special plating company, so I have to replate them. Maybe I have them in stock. Looks fine. On those cups, normally there is a clear coat. I will remove the clear coat and polish them. So, it's going to be a dull movie, so I will cut off now. I will give how long? 30 minutes the time to clean it out. Then I will remove the thinner and I will clean it out with water and dusty. I will make another movie. So please check my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you on movie clip 3. Bye bye.